Hey guys, are you looking for a POD store, general, niche, one product store, custom Shopify store? Contact me for a custom quote today. I am a certified expert, having more than 3 years of experience setting up Shopify stores. I am very passionate about e-commerce, dropshipping and Shopify, and I do my work with full dedication, 100% free lifetime support, on-time delivery, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. My services include premium theme, a highly converting Shopify store, winning products, menu and pages, sales boosting apps, logo plus favicon, domain setup, products and collection. What we need from you? Just your email address or staff access of Shopify Store to get started. Message me now and start your Shopify store.